Good afternoon, children. How are you? Now I will start video 4. The previous class, video 3, I told up to ascending order. Already told about ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Or you have learned about ascending order for whole numbers and integers. Now previous class I told about fraction ascending in the ascending order. Now third one. Now start third one. The third sum. Check in the following scale whether in this scale the sum of the numbers in each row and in each column and along the diagonals in the same. Already given table. What is type of figure? You know, this is scale. Scale. All sides are equal. Scale is all sides are equal. The given fraction. This is first row. This is second row. This is third row. First row, second row, third row. This is column. First column, second column, and third column. This is row. This is column. This side diagonals. This is diagonal 1, second diagonal 2. This is 2. Now we ask question. The sum of number in each row. The sum of number in each row and first row and second row and third row. And second one, the sum of each column. First column and second column and third column. The third one along the diagonals is same. Diagonals mean these diagonals. 2 by 13, 7 by 13, 12 by 13. Cross line is diagonal, first diagonal. This cross line is second diagonal. Already given fraction 6 by 13, 13 by 13, 2 by 13. What is type of the fraction? Already just told about previous classes about like fraction. These are like fraction. Now one by one. Our first one solution. The sum of fraction in the first row. First row. What is the fraction given? 6 by 13 plus 13 by 13 plus 2 by 13. What is the type of fraction? These fractions are like fractions because denominator having same number 13 given. This is like fractions. To find what is the LCM? All are equal 13. We get 13. Remaining numbers 6 plus 13 plus 13. Sum of whole numbers 16. 6 plus 13 plus 2. Sum of whole numbers equal to 13 plus 2. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 by 13. We get result is 21 by 13. This is improper fraction. Because numerator is greater than denominator. 21 by 13 is improper fraction. The second one. First one however. Second one, the sum of fraction in the second row. Is equal to, you take second row 3 by 13, 7 by 13 and 11 by 13. This is second row. Sum of fractions in the second row. 3 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 11 by 13. These are like fractions because denominator having same number. What is the LCM? Repeat the number 13 given. 13 is LCM. Remaining numbers adding 7, 3 plus 7 plus 13. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 11, 21. 21 by 13. We get answer 21 by 13. This is also 21 by 13. Another one, third one, the sum of fractions, in the third row. Say third row, 12 by 13, 1 by 13, 8 by 13, given fractions. Find sum in addition. 12 by 13 plus 1 by 13 plus 8 by 13. 12 by 13 plus 1 by 13 plus 8 by 13. These are like fractions because denominator having same number. Find LCM. What is the LCM? The repeat number 30. We get 30. Remaining numbers. Add the remaining numbers. 12 plus 1 plus 8. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. This is also 21 by 30. All rows are equal. This result is 21 by 13. This one also 21 by 13. Third one also 21 by 13. These fractions are equal. Next, ask question. The sum of the number in each row and each column. Each column means first column, second column, third column. A column another name vertical. Column another name vertically. A sum of first one. The sum of fraction. The sum of fraction in the column. First column. What is the first column? Only given fraction. First column 6 by 13, 3 by 13, 12 by 13. Sum of all fractions. 6 by 13 plus 3 by 13 plus 12 by 13. What type of fractions? These are like fractions. What is LCM? Repeat number given 13. 13 is LCM. 13 is LCM. Remaining numbers, add the remaining numbers. 6 plus 3 plus 12. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 by 30. We get answer 21 by 30. 21 by 30 is fraction. What is the type of fraction? Just I told about 21 by 30. This is improper fraction. Next one. I say about second column. The sum of the fraction in second column. Take second column, 13 by 13, 7 by 13, 1 by 13. This is second column. 13 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 1 by 13. These are like fractions. What is the LCM? LCM is 13 is LCM. Remaining numbers 13 plus 7 plus 1. Adding 13 plus 7 plus 1. 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 13. 21 by 13 is fraction. Now third one. Say about third column. The sum of fraction in the third column. Third column 2 by 13, 1 by 13, 8 by 13 given fraction. These are like fractions. Sum in addition 2 by 13 plus 11 by 13 plus 8 by 13. What is the LCM? 13 2 plus 11 plus 8. 11 plus 2 13. 30 plus 8 21. 21 by 30. All columns are equal. 20 first column. Sum of the first column 21 by 30. Second column 21 by 30. Third column also. Sum of third column also 21 by 30. These are equal. Next, we say about diagonal. What is diagonal? As I told about diagonal. Diagonal means cross line diagonal. The cross is first diagonal and second diagonal. The sum of the fraction in the first diagonal. The first diagonal 2 by 13, 7 by 13, 12 by 13. Given fractions 2 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 12 by 13. What is the type of fractions? This is like fractions because denominator having same number 30. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to 13. 13 is repeat number. 13 is repeat number. This is LCM. Adding remaining number 2 plus 7 plus 12. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 12 21. 21 by 13. Sum of first diagonal equal to 21 by 13. Next one. Let's go to second diagonal. Second diagonal. The sum of the fraction in the second diagonal. Second diagonal. This is second diagonal. Take numbers. Take fractions. The given fraction 6 by 13. A second one 7 by 13. Third one 8 by 13. 6 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 8 by 13. What is the type of fractions? You know, these are like fractions because denominator having the same number. So find LCM. What is the LCM? Are you saying 13 is LCM? 13, 13, 13. More 3 times repeated. That number is LCM 13. Remaining add the remaining numbers. 6 plus 7 plus 8. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 8 21. 21 by 13. This is also answer same. First diagonal answer is 21 by 13. Second diagonal also 21 by 13. All our answer is equal. All are 3 rows and columns and diagonals are equal to 21 by 30. We get result 21 by 30. Okay, next one. Another sum, very important sum. All you know about rectangle, you know rectangle and square, triangles. Already we have learned in 6th class about rectangle, square, triangle. Next one, the fourth one. A rectangular sheet of paper. A rectangular sheet of paper. A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeters long. This is long, 5 2 by 3 centimeter long, and breadth is and 3 1 by 5 centimeters and 3 1 by 5 centimeters and 3 1 by 5 centimeters. Breadth. Find its meter. Find its find its perimeter. Already we have learned about perimeter of rectangle in 6th class. Now a rectangle sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3. 5 2 by 3, what is the type of fraction? Mixed fraction. Long means length. And 3 1 by 5 centimeters breadth. Find its perimeter. Draw figure. What is the type of figure? You know, this is rectangle. This is rectangle because opposite sides are equal. This is length. This is breadth. A, B, C, T. Already given length is equal to 5 2 by 3 centimeters. Breadth is given 3 1 by 5 centimeters. 3 1 by 5 centimeters. L is equal to 5 2 by 3 centimeters. B is equal to 3 1 by 5 centimeters. The opposite side, this is rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. This is also 5 2 by 3 centimeters. This opposite side also equal 3 1 by 5 centimeters. Now solution. Length of rectangle. Length of rectangle sheet. Length of rectangle sheet is equal to given 5 2 by 3 centimeter. 5 2 by 3, what is the type of fraction? This is mixed fraction. Now we convert to the improper fraction. 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 by 3 centimeter. This is length. This is length. L is equal to 17 by 3 centimeter. 17 by 3 centimeter. Now segment breadth of rectangle sheet. Breadth of rectangle sheet. Given, what is the breadth? Only given 3 1 by 5. 3 1 by 5 is also mixed fraction. 3 1 by 5 is also mixed fraction. Now we convert to the improper fraction. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 by 5 centimeters. This is breadth of 16 by 5 centimeters. Now find, ask question, find its perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle, what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. How many sides? 2 lengths side. 2 lengths and 2 breadths. What is the formula? 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. L means length plus B means breadth. 2 into L plus B. L is equal to 17 by 3 centimeters. 17 by 3 centimeters. B is equal to 16 by 5 centimeters. 16 by 5 centimeters. These two values substitute in the formula. These two values substitute in the formula. 2 into L, already given 17 by 3. 17 by 3 length plus breadth is equal to 16 by 5. What is the type of fraction? What is the type of fraction? Unlike fractions, because denominator having not equal. Denominator having not equal. This is unlike fractions. Now find LCM. What is the LCM? 3 5 is 15. 3 5 is 15. 3 how many times in the 15? 5 times. 5 into 17. 5 into 17 plus 15. 5 how many times 15 in the 15? 3 times. 3 5 is 15. 3 into 16. 3 into 16. 2 into 5 into 17. 85 plus 48 by 15. Find 15. Next one. I continue. 2 is equal to 2 into 85 plus 48. 85 plus 48. 8 plus 5 13. 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 13. Answer, get answer 133 by denominator number 15. 2 into 133 266 by 15. 266 by 15. What is the type of fraction? Improper fraction. Now convert to the mixed fraction. 15 166. How many times? 115 is 15. Remainder 11. Now divide by 15. Take number 16. How many times? 7 times. 7 into 15. 105. Remainder 11. 11 is in the place denominator. 11 or 15 is denominator. What is the answer? 17. 11 by 50 centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangle 17. 11 by 50 centimeter. We get answer 17. 11 by 50 centimeter. This is mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction. Okay, I understand. Length of rectangle sheet. Again I said length of rectangle sheet 5 2 by 3. 5 2 by 3 is mixed fraction. Convert to the improper fraction. 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 17 by 3 centimeters. And next one, breadth of rectangle sheet 3 1 by 5 given. This is also improper fraction, mixed fraction. Convert to the improper fraction. 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16 by 5. Last question, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter means sum of all sides of this formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. L is equal to 70 by 3 centimeters. Breadth B is equal to 60 by 5 centimeters. These two substitute in the formula. 2 L is equal to already given 70 by 3. 70 by 3 plus B is equal to 60 by 5. Substitute value 60 by 5. These two are unlike fraction. Find LCM. 3 5 is 15. 15 how many times? 5 times. The opposite denominator number. 5 into 17 85. 5 how many times? 15. 3 times. 3 into cross multiplication. 3 into 16. 5 into 17. Cross multiplication. 7 into 5. 17 into 5. 85. 3 into 16. 48 by 15. 85 plus 48 how much? 2 into 133. 2 into 133 266 by 15. This is improper fraction. Convert to the mixed fraction. Find divisible 15. 1 into 15 15. Remainder 11. We take 6. 160 how many times? 7 times. 105. Remainder 11. 11 is numerator. A repeat number 50 is denominator. 7 11 by 15. This is answer. This is answer. Next one. Go to next one. Go to next one. The recipe. The fifth one. The recipe requires requires 3 1 by 4 cups. 3 1 by 4 cups. 3 1 by 4 cups of flour. Rather as 1 3 by 8 cups. 1 3 by 8 cups. 1 3 by 8 cups of flour. floor. Half floor. How many more cups? How many more cups? How many more cups? Half floor. Half floor. Half floor. Does he need? Does he need? How many cups? Find how many cups. The recipe requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/8 cups. Radha has 1 3/8 cups of flour. How many more cups of flour does she need? So carefully listen, all of you. Very very important sum. Solution. Number of cups of flour. Number of cups of flour required are given 3 1/4. 3 1/4. 3 1/4. What is the type of fraction? A mixed fraction. Convert to the improper fraction. You know about improper fraction? 4 3 jars 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13/4 cups. The next one. Number of cups of flour Radha has. How many cups Radha has? Are given 1 3/8 cups. 1 3/8 cups. 1 3/8. 1 3/8. What is the type of fraction? This is mixed fraction.